Okay, so General, I'll give you 5 working days. Linis yung problema yan. Otherwise, babalikan kita on air. Hindi lang dito, pati sa radyo ko. Babatikusin kita left and right kasama ng chief PNP mo. Hindi ko bibiro. Look at me, General, look at me. I'm not joking. Pag buhay ng taong nakasalalay dito, I'll be very dead serious. I don't fucking care kung sino yung kaharap ko na Poncio Pilato, magkaaway na kami kung away. Please, sir. Tumataas si Mr. Lim.
Sir, may pakiusap lang po kami. Sanay naman po ng baka po yung Marilaki. Pwedeng lagyan din.
Ano po yun, sir?
Marilaki Highway, ang dami pong patay, meron na namang kahapon.
Marilaki.
Sa Rizal po, opo. Ang tagal na po namin nire-request na maglagay sana ng outpost.
Marilaki Highway.
Highway, opo. Ang dami pong patay dyan. Kunin niyo po ang listing.
HPG dapat yan.
HPG po, sako po ito ng Metro Manila, Kalahati at saka ng Region 4A. Rizal lang lahat, no? Rizal na lahat.
Huh? Oh, ginagawang race track to, General. General, every Sunday. So, yung Marilaki, sinasabi ni Mr. Lim sa Marcos Highway.
Yes, sir, we'll check on this, sir. I think it's part of 4A.
Sulat kayo. Okay, so General, I'll give you 5 working days. Linis yung problema yan. Otherwise, babalikan kita on air. Hindi lang dito, pati sa radyo ko. Babatikusin kita left and right kasama ng chief PNP mo. Hindi ko bibiro. Look at me, General, look at me. I'm not joking. Pag buhay ng taong nakasalalay dito, I'll be very dead serious. I don't care kung sino yung kaharap ko na Poncio Pilato, magkaaway na kami kung away. Please, sir. So, yung sinasabi niya Marilaki, in 5 working days, limpyo na po yung problema dyan. Wala na po mga magnanakaw. Tama? Ano exact location? Pakisabi sa, sir?
Exact location po nito, General, doon po sa Tanay, papuntang Tanay. Ang record po ng patay natin dyan, napakalaki. Kasi pati yung mga motor, ginagawang, raider yung mga Ang dami pong namatay na damay, pati mga private vehicles.
Bakit po? Anong korte ng kalsada? Or then DPWH should be involved also here?
Dapat po.
So, meron ba taga DPWH dito?
Good morning, Mr. Chair.
Meron?
From DPWH.
Okay. DPWH, is there anything that you can do about this? Not only the PNP should be involved, also you, DPWH.
Yes, Your Honor, we'll coordinate. I'm from the legal service, Your Honor. I'm not particular with but we're aware of what's happening in Marilaki.
You're aware.
Yes, Your
Well,
Honor.
what have you been doing about it?
Top of my head, Your Honor, I'm sure that we installed rumble strips in the corners. It's a curved road, Your Honor, as
Yes.
I'm aware from the videos that I see from social media. There are now rumble strips that are installed.
When was this installed, sir?
I can't say for now, Your Honor, but we'll
Yung installed dito, bakit tuloy-tuloy pa ng mga disgrasya ayon dito kay Mr. Lim?
I can say, but I'm sure, Your Honor, it's being used as a racing place for motorcycles, particularly, Your Honor.
Racing.
Yes,
So
Your Honor.
therefore, trabaho ito ng PNP. So General, yung responsibility, I'll put it on your shoulder again, na please, ayoko na mabalitaan na may mamamatay dyan. Ginagawa pa lang racing track. So aware po kayo dito, General, ang PNP. And then bakit wala akong ginagawa ang PNP? Kung aware po kayo, matagal na pala ginagawang parang racing track itong kalsadang ito, lugar na ito, sir.
I think, sir, the Police Regional Office 4 is aware on this, but we will direct them again to intensify their presence in that area.
Pinapatay, okay. Sige, mamaya na yan. So, sir, I want this addressed in the next 5 days. Wala na ito. Anong LGU may sakop po nito?
Region 4A po. 4A.
Sino pong LGU? Sino pong
Tanay po yung lugar. Tanay.
Tanay Rizal?
Opo, Tanay po. Ito po yung
Sino pong mayor dyan?
Baras and Tanay.
Sino pong mayor dyan?
Sino bang mayor natin sa
LG? Andito pa ba yung
Tantuangco raw po yata si Mayor Tantuangco. Ito po yung Marikina Rizal Quezon Highway.
DLG? Nasa yung DLG na rin. Sir, bigyan po kayo ng assignment. Bigyan ko kayo, sir, ng assignment. Siyempre, dapat ma-involve lahat dito. Hindi lang yung DPWH, PNP. Dapat involved din yung LGU. So, Paki-take note po sir, pakiusapin niyo po yung LGU na nakakasakop nito kung sino yung mga mayors dito.
Yes,
Na do something, magkaroon silang programa. Kasi constituent din nila karamihan siguro na aksidente rito. Di ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair. With regard to that, we will inform the concerned LGUs po.
Pwede ba sir, padala niyo ako ng sulat after in 5 working days kung ano po yung ginawa niyong aksyon at pakikipag-ugnayan sa LGU at kung yung ano niya sa DLG, send me a letter. And of course, yung sulat na yun, dapat hindi galing sa iyo. Baka hindi ka paniwalaan. Siguro kay Secretary Abalos magagaling.
Yes po, sir. We will talk with my principals po.
O kung sino man yung acting secretary or whoever.
Yes, sir. Opo, sir.
Sige. Sino pang gusto mong salita? Wala nang gusto mong salita. Ngayon, mamaya yung sa anomaly naman.